who's watching the eclipse. I got my glasses. I was gonna go live on computer, but then I realized that I'm out in my backyard and my Wi-Fi doesn't doesn't reach this far. I set a little box up though. Get you guys in my ears there. So I did set a box up. I was gonna put my computer in there, but I decided that I'll just leave it there. If anybody stops by the office, I'll have extra glasses. I got my water in there. I can set my phone in there. Just a little shady shade. So anyway, it is 2:33 and the eclipse, actually they said the eclipse was gonna start around 2:30 and it actually started, I got out here about 10, 15 minutes ago. And can't get these on. They're not the greatest. I mean, as far as like, yeah, okay, there we go. And it had already started. So it started sooner than what they said. And the moon looks very much like a Pac-Man. I mean, the sun looks like a Pac-Man right now. So what's interesting is, so I have a little bit of light sensitivity and I still can only look up for a certain period of time before I have to look away. So, but it's pretty cool. It's really cool. It's, yeah, it's moving slowly for sure. So the, you know, everybody was, hey, if you're here, hit the thumbs up button. So, you know, a lot of people were talking about how it was going to affect your animals. So I just want to show you. So this guy, can you see him? Hi, handsome. What you doing there? So he's under the chair. And interestingly enough, I don't think he normally, like he never goes under my chair unless we're like, oh gosh, if we're at a festival and there's a lot of people and chaos and the sun is shining, he'll climb under the chair. But, so I think he's feeling it. But, you know, he's kind of like finding a little safe space there. And people are like, you know, leave your animals inside because you don't want them to look up at the sun. I gotta be honest. Animals are pretty darn smart. Do you really think that animals are like, hey, what's going on up there? Checking out the sun? Yeah, I don't think so. So he's heading inside now. Yeah, animals are gonna animal, right? They're gonna do what they intuitively know how to do. What are you doing, boy? So he's up there in the shade, so he can't even see the sun right now, and he's staring at me. But yeah, so I think animals are, you know, they're gonna animal. You know, let them do what they're gonna do. So I can't see. I don't know if anybody's chatting. So let's see. I think. Okay.